This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming AdSense is linked to your YouTube channel and fully verified. This is required to receive payments. Next, check or set the payment threshold, usually $100, so you know when funds will release. Also complete tax forms, for example Form 1099 in the US, and any local tax registration. This prevents holds. Once these prerequisites are done, move to add or confirm your payment method, so money can transfer automatically when the threshold is met. Now add your payment method inside AdSense. Pick bank transfer for lowest fees or wire if needed internationally. When entering details, type routing, IBAN, or SWIFT/BIC exactly as on your bank statement. Minor errors cause delays. After submission, verify the account, check for micro-deposits or enter the PIN sent to you, and confirm those amounts. Once verified, payments will route to that account automatically. Make sure currency settings match to avoid conversion holds and extra fees. When your balance meets the threshold, AdSense issues the payment per its monthly schedule. You don't manually withdraw. Check payments to see status. Posted means processing. In review flags an issue. Failed requires action. If a payment fails, first recheck account numbers and tax info, then correct errors and request a retry. If problems persist, contact Google support with transaction ID. One key tip: keep a recent bank statement and screenshots handy to speed resolution when payouts are delayed or rejected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.